Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a lot have been said about our governor, but we all forgot to mention that part which is very unique of him. And that's the part that, regardless of the situation, the charming smiles of His Excellency never fades. Governor, they laugh every time they smile. I love it, sir. And as expected, even most of his followers, core followers, have also borrowed that same gene. Every weekend you will see Barrister Edison. If he's not dancing, he's singing. Himself, Oko-Jumbo no dey here today. Every weekend, like, it became like a happy hour. When they do party, every time you see them on social media, they're either chocolating. I say, are they aware where we are? Your Excellency, my only worry now, Chijoke need a smile. Chijoke need a smile in the verse. He didn't even dance. That's my worry. That's why His Excellency is always laughing. If I ask His Excellency now, Your Excellency, how are you? Your Excellency will just say, yes, I'm fine. Even if I ask Your Excellency, how is your guy? He will say what? He's fine. I may clap for Your Excellency. A very loving personality. Our governor will love you. Thank you for this character. Thank you for this quality. We're happy with you.